approach to Tracy Arm Fjord, just around this island on the left side.
I mean, look at that.
Bye-bye the tour that should have happened. Yeah, we were supposed to get on one of these smaller boats and head up into the fjord, but not today. Alright, we got down to a check-in point for our tour, which is the smaller boat that goes up into the fjord, and I guess they had one of the two boats that are running the tour break down, so they canceled our tour because we didn't order it last year. They went on date of order received. We ordered ours a few months ago, but there were other people that ordered their tour last year, so they took order of preference, and we were not in that order of preference, so we don't get to go on our tour, unfortunately. So we get to sit here all day and look at the view around here instead of going up into the fjord to see the Sawyer Glacier. So anyway, hopefully we'll see something cool out here, make up for it. And that's how it goes sometimes, I guess. Getting a bonus. The ship is going into the fjord anyway. We're just not going to be right up next to the glacier, but we're going to get pretty close. Alright, well, there's our first iceberg. That's pretty cool. Got some awesome views so far. I mean, it's beautiful, huh?
I mean, look at the water. And the icebergs. Waterfalls all over the mountain. It's so green.
It's awesome. Got our first sighting of bald eagle. That's beautiful.
So much water, huh?
Pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful in here. It's cold though. You'd think it was wintertime in Utah. We got the
wind on top of it being cold.
wind chill is horrible, but temperature wise it's not bad, it's just the wind chill.
Oh, wow.
iceberg, huh?
Yeah. I love these kids eating ice cream down here.
Yeah. Pretty that is, all the blues and the greens and the turquoise. Awesome, huh? Too much ice and water, so he has to turn around here.
Wow.
Not a big enough ship, should be able to push that stuff around. Better be safe than sunk, I guess.
Yeah.
Ship is turned around. It's got about 2/3 of the way into the fjord. Said there's too much ice floating in the fjord to travel safely with their margin of error. So we're turning around and headed back out. Hopefully we'll be able to get on that next tour that they said they'd try to squeeze us into. Seems how they canceled our first one. Still 50-50 chance or less of getting it, but there's always a chance. So fingers crossed with gloves on, because it's cold out here. Hopefully we can get on the tour. Anyway, this has been beautiful regardless. I mean, this is just fantastic. This fjord is amazing. There's cliffy walls everywhere. Beautiful. That's where we came from, right there. That's where we got to go to get back. And here we are, sailing past the iceberg in the water right there. I don't know if the iceberg's floating. I think it is, but anyway, we're moving faster than it if it is. So. Cool. There's Christy down there. She's right there. She's gonna hop on the iceberg and float it out. She's gonna have to jump a little bit though. Just kidding. All right, they were able to get us on. Best view we can, even though it's going to be cold. Oh, welcome to winter out here, huh? Want to go up one more? Oh, we can.
We should have bourbon up there taking our picture.
All right. High five. All right, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Check it out. Bye-bye. Alright, adios, Carnival. We're gonna go where that big ship couldn't. We're gonna go past that iceberg he was afraid of, and we're gonna go up into that fjord right there. There's some more seals right out there. Alright, well there's the other boat. The one that broke down earlier that caused us all our trouble. Look at all the seals on the ice in there. There's seals everywhere. Oh my goodness, look at that glacier. That's fantastic. Yeah, the blue is changing as the sun hits it. Look at that. All right, we have success. Check it out. We made it. It's worth the trip to get out here and check it out up close.
The end of the Tracy Fjord.
All right, we got our piece of glacier ice drink. Awesome. All right, how's your glacial ice drink? How's that? Pretty good?
Not every day you get to drink. Get to drink and juice with glacial water in it.
Yeah,
Glacial ice cubes.
a big old chunker to blue right here. I don't think you want to hit that full bore.
I think that is.
So this ice is glacial ice. So it's frozen water from however many hundreds of thousands of years ago. It's pretty cool. Cruise ship left us. We need to go catch up to it. I think it's raging.
Yeah, it is. All right, you ready?
Back on board. Woo! We made it. All right, we made it back on boat. We're so happy we were able to get the tour done. So awesome.
It was well worth it.
Yeah,
You
I'll
ever
tell
get
you,
a chance to do it?
we were super nervous.
It almost didn't happen.
All right. We had a pretty good day today. It could have been pretty bad, but we lucked out and was able to get our tour, so ready for tomorrow.